In a world where luxury is the norm and extravagance is expected, celebrities take automotive passion to entirely new heights. From custom paint jobs to one-of-one special editions, the relationship between stars and their cars tells a fascinating story about status, personality, and sometimes pure automotive obsession. Join me as we dive into the garages of 12 celebrities who've turned car collecting into an art form, showcasing vehicles that most of us can only dream about. These aren't just cars, they're rolling statements, mechanical masterpieces that reflect the larger-than-life personas of their famous owners. Jay Leno, 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. When it comes to celebrity car collectors, Jay Leno stands in a league of his own. His famous garage houses over 180 vehicles, but his pristine 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing deserves special attention. With its iconic upward opening doors resembling wings in flight, this silver masterpiece represents the pinnacle of 1950s engineering. Valued at over $1.8 million, Leno's Gullwing isn't just a showpiece. He regularly drives this automotive legend through the streets of Los Angeles. What makes Leno's example special isn't just its immaculate condition, but the stories it carries, purchased from its original owner who drove it across Europe before shipping it to America. For Leno, cars aren't investments, they're mechanical time capsules meant to be experienced and shared. Kylie Jenner, custom Rolls-Royce Cullinan. When you're a billionaire before 25, ordinary luxury won't suffice. Enter Kylie Jenner's custom Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a vehicle that redefines automotive opulence. This isn't just any Cullinan. Kylie's edition features a unique ice blue exterior with matching interior, custom Kylie illuminated door sills, and a starlight headliner configured to match the exact night sky from the day she was born. The $350,000 base price easily doubled with her personalization requests, including custom baby seats for daughter Stormy with embroidered initials. Perhaps most eye-catching is the gloss pink KJ monogrammed emblem, replacing the traditional Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, proving that when you have Kylie's influence, even Rolls-Royce's sacred traditions can be reimagined. Lewis Hamilton, Pagani Zonda 760 LH. Formula One champion. Lewis Hamilton's relationship with cars extends well beyond the racetrack. His one-off Pagani Zonda 760 LH isn't just named after him, it was specifically created for him with unprecedented customizations. Finished in striking purple carbon fiber, this 760 horsepower hypercar features a manual transmission specifically requested by Hamilton against Pagani's recommendations. Worth approximately $2.7 million, Hamilton once called it terrible to drive, yet couldn't bring himself to part with it until recently. The car embodies Hamilton's complex relationship with automotive excellence, pushing boundaries while maintaining environmental awareness as he's since moved toward electric vehicles. This purple monster represents the fascinating contradiction of a racing champion who seeks both ultimate performance and environmental responsibility. Lady Gaga, 1990, Ford Bronco. Not every celebrity car has to break the bank. Lady Gaga's cherished 1990 Ford Bronco proves that star power and automotive passion sometimes come in surprisingly accessible packages. This classic American SUV, finished in black with minimal modifications except for upgraded wheels and sound system, has been Gaga's loyal companion for casual coffee runs and beach trips. While worth just $25,000, $30,000, pocket change compared to her other vehicles, this Bronco holds special significance as her first car purchase after achieving fame. Gaga has repeatedly refused big money offers for the vehicle, demonstrating that emotional connection often outweighs monetary value. In a world of hypercars and custom creations, Gaga's Bronco stands as a refreshing reminder that authentic automotive passion transcends price tags. Drake, Mercedes-Maybach G650 Landaulet. Drake's vehicular flex game reached new heights with his Mercedes-Maybach G650 Landaulet, one of only 99 ever produced and the only one in North America. This ultra-rare G-Wagon variant combines military-grade toughness with presidential luxury, featuring a convertible rear section where passengers sit in S-Class style reclining seats, complete with massage functions and champagne coolers. Priced around $1.8 million, Drake's big body Benz is a frequent star in his social media posts and music videos. What makes this acquisition particularly impressive is the vehicle's exclusivity. Originally not sold in North America, Drake's team orchestrated a complex importation process simply to add this trophy to his collection. The G650 perfectly embodies Drake's brand, exclusive, imposing, and unapologetically extravagant. Cristiano Ronaldo, Bugatti Centodieci. When you're one of the highest paid athletes in history, your garage naturally reflects that status. Cristiano Ronaldo's Bugatti Centodieci stands as perhaps the most exclusive vehicle in his estimated $30 million car collection. One of only 10 ever produced, this white hypercar delivers 1,600 horsepower and reportedly cost Ronaldo $9 million, a price he paid before the car was even completed. The Centodieci's design pays homage to the iconic EB110, perfectly aligning with Ronaldo's appreciation for both heritage and cutting-edge performance. Most impressively, despite its rarity and value, Ronaldo occasionally drives this automotive unicorn rather than treating it solely as an investment. For a man constantly striving for perfection on the field, the Centodieci represents the same relentless pursuit of excellence in mechanical form. Kim Kardashian, Custom Ghost, Rolls-Royce Phantom. Kim Kardashian's approach to luxury vehicles mirrors her fashion sense, pushing boundaries while setting trends. Her custom Ghost, Rolls-Royce Phantom, epitomizes this philosophy with its matte silver exterior and fully custom interior, featuring silver silk upholstery and crystal detailing throughout the cabin. The 1 million plus creation includes refrigerated compartments for skincare products, custom child seats with Skims-inspired fabric, and a unique privacy glass configuration developed specifically for her celebrity status. Most remarkable is the custom ambient lighting system that can match her KKW Beauty makeup palette colors or synchronize with music. While many celebrities own Phantoms, Kim's Ghost Edition demonstrates how even the most traditional luxury mark can be transformed into a personalized statement piece that functions as both transportation and brand extension. The Weeknd, McLaren P1. The Weeknd's McLaren P1 reflects the same qualities that define his music: dark, powerful, and unapologetically intense. One of only 375 ever produced, his murdered-out hypercar features matte black paint with subtle red accents that only become visible in direct sunlight. Beyond its sinister aesthetic, this 903 horsepower hybrid hypercar can reach 217 mph, making it as formidable as it looks. The $1.5 million vehicle frequently appears in The Weeknd's lyrics and music videos, becoming almost an extension of his artistic identity. What many don't know is that he learned to drive specifically to operate this vehicle, taking intensive performance driving courses before taking delivery, proving his dedication goes beyond mere ownership. In the garage of an artist known for dark themes and emotional depth, the P1 serves as the perfect mechanical companion. Beyoncé, 1959, Rolls-Royce, Silver Cloud 2 convertible. Some celebrity cars aren't about raw power or flashy modifications but timeless elegance. Beyoncé's 1959 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 2 convertible, a gift from Jay-Z, exemplifies automotive royalty in its purest form. This cream-colored classic with red leather interior is one of just 107 drop-head coupes ever built, making it extraordinarily rare. Valued at approximately $1 million after its comprehensive restoration, the vehicle serves as Beyoncé's preferred transportation for special occasions. What makes this Silver Cloud particularly special is its unmodified state, preserving automotive history rather than reinventing it. In a world where celebrities often compete for the newest and most outlandish vehicles, Beyoncé's appreciation for this automotive classic demonstrates that true luxury sometimes means honoring tradition rather than disrupting it. Post Malone, 1992, Ford Explorer Raptor. Post Malone's automotive tastes range from hypercars to humble beginnings, but his most interesting ride might be his custom 1992 Ford Explorer dubbed the Raptor. This seemingly ordinary SUV received an extraordinary transformation, featuring a reinforced chassis, desert racing suspension, and a supercharged V8 producing over 700 horsepower. The exterior maintains its weathered white paint and stock appearance until you notice the massive off-road tires and subtle wide-body modifications. Despite owning a Bugatti Chiron and various supercars, Post frequently drives this $100,000 sleeper around Los Angeles, delighting in people's confusion when the unassuming explorer leaves sports cars in its dust. This creation perfectly encapsulates Post's persona, unpretentious on the surface but hiding unexpected depth, technical excellence, and a healthy dose of humor underneath. Elton John, 1974, Ferrari 365 GT4 BB Boxer. Sir Elton John's flamboyant persona found perfect automotive expression in his 1974 Ferrari 365 GT4 BB, commonly known as the Boxer. This rare prancing horse, one of just 387 produced, was Elton's favorite during his most excessive period, frequently spotted outside legendary London clubs and studios during the mid-1970s. The bright yellow Ferrari with distinctive black lower bodywork has a storied history, having been sold then reacquired by the music legend decades later for his permanent collection. Worth approximately $700,000 today, Elton's Boxer stands apart through its provenance and original condition, still featuring the custom-installed period-correct 8-track player he used to test new songs while driving. In a collection spanning dozens of exotic cars, this particular Ferrari represents the perfect intersection of automotive excellence and rock star extravagance. Floyd Mayweather, Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. When discussing automotive excess, few can compete with Floyd Money Mayweather's Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. One of only two ever produced, this $4.8 million hypercar features a unique diamond weave carbon fiber exterior that sparkles in sunlight, a technically challenging manufacturing process so difficult that Koenigsegg reduced production from 3 vehicles to just 2. With 118 horsepower and acceleration from 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, the Trevita's performance matches its astronomical price tag. What makes Floyd's ownership particularly notable is how he approaches it as both a showpiece and investment. Having purchased it for $4.8 million and later selling it for significantly more, Mayweather demonstrated his business acumen extends to automotive assets. For a man nicknamed Money, the Trevita perfectly embodied his philosophy of spectacular display coupled with shrewd investment. The cars we've explored represent more than just transportation or status symbols. They're extensions of personality, physical manifestations of success, and sometimes even artistic statements. From Jay Leno's passionate preservation of automotive history to Floyd Mayweather's investment in automotive exclusivity, these 12 vehicles reveal the diverse relationships celebrities form with their most prized mechanical possessions. Whether it's Lady Gaga's sentimental attachment to a relatively modest Bronco or Kylie Jenner's complete reimagining of Rolls-Royce tradition, these cars tell stories as captivating as the celebrities who own them. In a world where fame is fleeting, these extraordinary machines serve as chrome and steel testaments to achievement, personality, and sometimes the simple joy of owning something truly special. The next time you spot a celebrity behind the wheel, remember, you're not just seeing a car, you're witnessing a unique chapter in both automotive and pop culture history.